The first GTHO, which Ford told the gullible media that the last two letters stood for handling option, came about because Ford's Bathurst Crown was whipped away from them by Holden's new Monaro in 1968.
Coming up to the checkered flag, McPhee has broken the race record set last year by the Falcon.
It thrashed the larger Falcon.
The Australian national flag goes up at 5 seconds to go. And when that drops, all hell's let loose for about 6 3/4 hours. And down it goes, and away they go. And it's Pete Gagan streaming into the lead.
So the Blue Oval returned in '69 with a 5.8 litre, sporting an air dam up front and the now iconic GTHO badge on the dash.
And there's the leader up the top of the skyline at the moment, Colin Bond, going like a rocket.
Bathurst was the goal, but again it wasn't to be. And what is now retrospectively called the Phase 1 was replaced in 1970 with the XW Phase 2.
Teammate Alan Moffat's record figures of 2 minutes 49.3. Seaton and Gibson's GTHO clocks third best to give Ford the first 3 grid positions. Moffat rounds Forest Elbow and heads for Conrod Straight for the last time. He leads McPhee and goes on to win from his teammate with Don Holland third, a lap behind.
That version took the top 2 places on the podium at the first of the new decade's races on the infamous mountain circuit.
On Conrod, in the last of the 130 laps, Moffat is a happy man as he approaches Murray's Corner.
After 500 miles, I can assure you this is the happiest turn a driver can make, is this left-hander onto the straight, waiting for the jubilation of his pit crew to give him the wave finishing the race.
Paved the way for an iconic 1-2-3 finish for the Phase 3 in 1971.
Betters the previous record by over 20 minutes.